How much it cost, y'all?
Free, 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 free.
Free, free, free. Are y'all ready for this? You sure? You sure? They setting up now. We about to get boogie on. Our boogie on. And it's free, 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 free. Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up.
Yep, yep. Still in Florida. We can't escape. We've been in. It's probably the longest we ever been in Florida since we went full time. But we here, Pompano Beach, Florida. Beach is on the other side. We staying at one of the Wyndham resorts, Sea Garden. No camping, no camping. But we wait on a friend while Kate checking in. We wait on a friend who's coming in from California, gonna hang out with us. And we here for a jazz festival. So y'all be ready to party. This is it. This is it. We are hyped. We are excited. We're loving it. All right, we see y'all later. Sunny Florida. Okay. Look at this. Sunny Florida. So much for that. Yep. We still in Florida. I'm walking down to the beach to this free concert. Cake and our good friend Roxanne are there now. They left early while the sun was up. I wanted to wait till the sun go down because it's cooler. And look, yep, flip flops. Got my chair. We're going to enjoy this concert. Yeah, baby. It's what vacation is all about, y'all. Better get with it. There they are. There they are. Caught up with them. I caught up with them. Look at them right there.
Yeah.
It is packed. There's the ocean. There's the band. Oh, work it out. Work it out. Work it out. What you eating, girl? What you eating? I see you over there. That lady right there eating something.
Oh, no.
What y'all looking at? What y'all looking at? Yep, it's free. Free, free, free. Free, 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 free. Okay, how much this cost?
Free, 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 free.
How much this cost?
Free, 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 free.
Yeah, baby.
Why you stop the music?
Because it was a long night last night. It had some. Why I stopped the music.
got more music to go to.
We got another night. We just finished the free concert in Pompano Beach, day 1. That's where we staying at today. Got a little balcony, look. Right there, and balcony from our bedroom. Pool right there. Okay, getting breakfast. Roxanne still asleep. Need to get her butt up. Hey, I see a horse.
Huh?
See horse. I said, I see a horse.
She woke.
Oh. Having homemade waffles straight from the freezer.
Pre-made. Don't get it twisted.
What's that?
It was pre-made.
Pre-made.
That's right.
About to have breakfast and about to do it again. Festivities start at 1 o'clock. All the way to 10 p.m. All right, y'all.
It's a whole weekend.
Exactly. Look at that.
And she woke. And she woke. Come on, birthday girl. It's your birthday. Show me what you're working with. Show me what you... Oh, Lord. Oh.
Hi, good morning. You people f***ing me up. I'm a goddamn sleep.
Oh, such language on a Sunday morning, y'all.
Oh, that's right. My bad. I'm sorry.
Girl, you curse all in church, so don't even worry about it.
I did.
I witnessed that.
So, another beautiful morning.
In the neighborhood.
Another beautiful
But you not in it.
black
I ain't gotta be in it.
yourself in the photo.
Look at
Turn
that
it
right
to
there. Look at that.
you.
Look at that right there. Huh?
Then we gonna sit. We gonna sit.
To us in a beautiful weekend.
Yes, for real.
We still got one more day for the festival.
Yes.
One more day. We about
Another
to
free.
Y'all know I cooked this.
Well, that's kind of weird. They already got a VIP section. Hey, you got me with my chair all up in my face and shit.
Day 2.
Milk dud in the way. Hey.
Day
It's
2.
Day 2.
How much it cost y'all?
Free.
$0, baby. $0. Work it out. Work it out.
Hey, what's going on now? We're in the middle of a break waiting for the next artist to come on. So far, so good. We're having a blast.
Why?
Because it's free.
That was a good one.
Would you mind if we do it the way Ghost Snoop does it? If we can do it, say yeah. Say yeah. Let's do it. Come on, go high, low, rock and roll, boogie. Come on, we go high and low, high up and low, jump and rock, jump and roll, boogie on down. Can I make?
Everybody packing up, getting ready to head back. Had a blast, a wonderful time. That's what bikecation is all about. Yep. Can't see it right there.
VIP in the house. Yeah, we VIP.
Yep, officially over.
It's over.
It's over now. All said and done.
We'll be back.
But if y'all riding, remember, ride long, ride hard, ride strong, and most importantly,
Ride safe.
listen to these riders. I'm Rich.
And I'm Kate.
And that's Roxanne. And we out.
Peace.